With iPhone 10 and later, you'll use gestures to navigate, multitask, and access all of your favorite features and apps. Let's explore. To turn on your iPhone, press and hold the side button. Then swipe up from the bottom to unlock your screen, and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. To start, let's take a look at how to move between apps. To see all of the apps you have open in the background, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen and pause. You can tap on any app to open it. From time to time, you might need to force close an app. To do this, just swipe up on any open app. When you're done, swipe up from the bottom edge to get back to the home screen. This gesture will bring you back home at any time from any app. If you have multiple home screens, swiping up from the bottom will bring you back to your main home screen. You can also quickly cycle through apps. Swipe along the bottom edge of the screen to open your most recent app, and keep swiping to switch to another. You can do this from the home screen or while using any app. To go to Control Center, swipe down from the top right of your screen. From here, you can quickly adjust settings and other handy iPhone features. Swipe up to go home. To see your notifications, swipe down from the top of your screen. Here, you'll find any recent notifications you may have missed, including notifications set to be delivered quietly. Then swipe up from the bottom to go home again. To search for something, swipe down from the middle of the screen to bring up Spotlight, like this. And swipe up to go home. Next up, Siri. To use Siri, just say, "Hey Siri," and make your request, like, "Hey Siri, text Brandon, can't wait for you to visit this weekend."
Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
You can also use Siri by pressing and holding the side button. Open the Weather app. To take a screenshot, press the side button on the right and the volume up button on the left at the same time. Your screenshot will appear in the lower left corner of your device. You can press and hold the screenshot to share it, tap it to add drawings, and text with markup, or swipe left on the screenshot to dismiss it and find it in your photos later. To buy something in a store using Apple Pay, double-click on the side button, glance at your iPhone to authenticate with Face ID, then hold the top of your iPhone near the payment reader. To put your iPhone to sleep, press the side button. To wake it back up, just tap the screen or raise your device. Then use Face ID to unlock it. Your iPhone can also quickly call emergency services like 911 should you need them. To do this, continue to press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons. But before you test this feature out, be careful. If you keep holding down the buttons, your iPhone will play a loud alert sound and will automatically start an SOS call to your local emergency services. You can tap Cancel to dismiss. If you ever need to force restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. To turn your iPhone off, just press and hold the side button and either of the volume buttons until the slider appears. Then slide to power off. And now you're a pro at navigating your iPhone. For more helpful tips like this, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click a video to keep watching.